And welcome back to my channel, myself Dr. Surbhisani. Hope you are doing great. Today I come forward to talk about all the dental colleges of Maharashtra, as this is the most requested video. So why don't, right? But before that, let me tell you something. There is a detailed video already out regarding the Karnataka Dental Colleges complete review, followed by the top 10 endodontic dental colleges complete review, followed by the Gujarat government as well as the private dental colleges complete review, followed by the Andhra Pradesh government as well as the private dental colleges, that too in the form of 4 videos. That too complete review is already out on this channel, right? So if you haven't checked out any of the video, please either you can find the link in the description or you pass the link of any of the video on the Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Follow me there, ask for the link of the videos. Definitely you will get it there within 5 minutes. Or you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen and you can ask any of the link of the video. Even you can comment down and ask for the link of any of the video. That too the review video of dental colleges will help you to make a choice, as well as it will give you a complete guidance in your choice filling, that too for the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Now regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, there is one new feature out on my channel, that there is the separate WhatsApp group available on my YouTube channel, that too for the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, where we do the discussion, as well as it is the fastest mode where we share the information regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. So don't forget to join that WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Already the 100 plus people are already there in that group. So what you are waiting for? Drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Follow me there as a sweet gesture, and then you can ask for the link. Definitely the registration is there, so that I can know about you out of the billions of the people, or no matter who is watching this video and at what time, right? So don't forget to join me there directly. To the topic, let's start with the detailed video regarding the Maharashtra dental colleges. And don't forget to watch this video till the end. College is the private dental college of Maharashtra, that is the Aditya Dental College, Bhid, Maharashtra. It is established in the year 2006 and 7. Hospital attached is the Aditya General Hospital, and the university attached with this college is the Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, Nasik. If we talk about the MDS seats in this college, then the seats of MDS, that too in this college, then there is the 2 prosto seats are there, followed by 3 endo and ortho seats are there, 2 perio seats is there. About the fees, then the fees of MDS course in this Aditya Dental College is the 14.4 lakh. Now let's see the previous year cutoff of this dental college, so that you can get some idea that which rank fall under this college and which branch you will get easily. This year analysis, that is the NEET MDS 2022 All India Quota Counseling SC category, candidate got MDS in prosthodontics with the rank of 668. Followed by OBC candidate got All India Quota Counseling NEET MDS 2022, got the MDS in orthodontics, that too at a rank of 491. Followed by the journal category, who got the seat in MDS course through the All India Quota Counseling, and that too journal category, and that too in the NEET MDS 2022 is MDS in periodontics with the rank of 652, MDS in endodontics with the rank of 347, MDS in orthodontics with the rank of 351. Now the next private dental college that we are going to talk about, of that too of Maharashtra, that is the Anna Sahib Chudaman Patil Memorial Dental College, which is the private dental college present in Dhule, Maharashtra. It is established in the year 2002 and 2003. The hospital attached with this college, that is the attached medical college, is there. Followed by the university is the Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, Nasik. If we talk about the fees of the MDS course in this college, that is the 9 lakhs rupees for the clinical branch per year per PG seat. Followed by, let's see the seats of the MDS course. So there is 3 perio seats, 5 ortho seats, 3 pedo seats, 3 PhD, that is the community dentistry seat is there. Followed by the 5 oral surgery seats, 5 endo seats, 5 prostho seats. And if we see the cutoff of this Anna Sahib Memorial College, which is the private dental college of Maharashtra, we see the previous year analysis of the cutoff. That means which rank come under this college, that too in NEET MDS 2022, and that too with All India Quota Counseling. So if we see the SC category through the All India Quota Counseling, that too previous year analysis. So SC category got MDS in periodontics with the rank of 674 and MDS in orthodontics with the rank of 361. Followed by the OBC category got the MDS branch, that too in oral surgery, and that too at a rank of 59. Followed by the ST category got MDS in prosthodontics, that too under this college, and that too at a rank of 832. The journal category previous year analysis, that too All India Quota Counseling, and that too for the NEET MDS 2022. Then MDS in prosthodontics is at the rank of 90. MDS in oral surgery with the rank of 52. MDS in public health dentistry with the rank of 508. MDS in periodontics with the rank of 125. MDS in endodontics with the rank of 72. MDS in orthodontic, that too journal category, with the rank of 114. Now let's talk about the third college of Maharashtra, that too a government dental college, that is the Armed Force Medical College Pune, which is the government dental college of Maharashtra. It is established in the year 1954 and 55. The hospital attached to this college is the Command Hospital, and the university is same, that is Maharashtra University of Health and Sciences, Nasik. If we talk about the MDS seats which are available in this government college, then definitely there is 2 OS seats, 2 ortho seats, 2 prostho seats, and 2 perio seats. The cutoff regarding this armed dental college is not available because it's come through the INSET, not through the NEET MDS, right? All about the first part of the complete review of the dental colleges of Maharashtra. Hope you watched this video till this end and you like the information, then hit the like button. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.